Hello, this video will show you how to connect any Bluetooth mouse to an iPad, and in this example I'm going to use an iPad Pro running iPadOS 13.6. And the mouse I have here is no name brand mouse. I got it for $13 and it works just fine. If you are interested in this particular mouse, please let me know and I will put a link down below. Let's get started. Turn on your mouse and set it on pairing mode. For mine, I need to press and hold for 5 seconds. Yours might be different, so please check on your mouse instruction manual for pairing. Next, go to Setting, Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth mouse will show under Other Devices. Go ahead and tap that. Bluetooth pairing request pops up. Tap Pair. Now you are connected. Sometimes it does not connect successfully. When it happens, you just need to toggle the Bluetooth off and on, both on the iPad and the mouse. After that, try it again. If connected successfully, now we can open an app with one click. Click and push up to close. Pull down top right to open Control Center. Pull down top center to reveal notification. Basically, using the mouse works the same as your finger touch plus scrolling. Another benefits of using mouse is we can make shortcuts. To make a shortcut, go to Setting, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch, Devices. Click on your Bluetooth mouse. Customize additional buttons. It will ask you to click which button to choose an action. Now I want my right click to go to Home since I need that action a lot. So I press right click. Many action choices will appear. And I want my right click to be a home action, so I click home. Click your Bluetooth mouse on the top. You need to enable assistive touch in order to make the shortcuts work. Click enable. Let's give it a try. Right click and it will go to home. The scroll wheel on my mouse is clickable, so that means I can customize it. Repeat the same steps to add a shortcut as before. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch, Devices. Click on your Bluetooth mouse. Customize additional buttons. But this time I click the scroll wheel button and the action I choose is dock. Let's try it. Click the scroll wheel and the dock goes up. Press it again, it goes down. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you, and if you find it helpful, please consider it like, share and subscribe. Thank you.